to turn on always on display on the OnePlus Nord CE5, just start by opening settings, and next you will have to navigate into wallpapers and style. Over here select always on display, and here you can click on it on this icon to turn it on, and also you can customize it. So first of all, you can change the information that will be shown on your lock screen on your always on display, like time, date, battery indicator, and notifications. Let's say that I want to remove notifications. When you go back, we can also find some contextual information, so like music playback, for example. There we go. Also, we can get some supported apps, so we have to install Spotify in this case. And also we can show the new notifications on the AOD screen. And over here you can simply change its image. You can choose from album, you can take the photo, but you can also get some Bitmoji that you will have to install from the Play Store. You can also find the default one, so you can get, like, for example, this digital clock. You can for sure customize it if you want. You have to click apply, and now it will be finished.